part 2 of giveaway for Sophia. Best friend ko yun. If you're asking. ASMR time. Guys, ang ganda ng quality nito. Quality. So, ito yung box niya. Pero, pang box yun, diba? Kasi wala pa ako. Hindi ko pa in-order. Okay, look. Ang ganda ng quality. Parang jeans lang to be. Parang jeans. Ang ganda ng quality. 92 pieces. 92 pieces. Tapos tagpira 80. Okay, let's go. Stickers. Oh my god, I forgot. We have to lagay. Only like one because there's 1, 2 pockets. Okay. Uy! Oh my god. Guys, sinagay ko na. Next one ay sticker. So, ang sticker natin ay ito. Kasi ang dami na to. Like, madami pa ako sticker. Like, guys. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Anong sasabihin ko? Oh my god, nakalimutan ko. Anong pangalan nyo? What's your age? Comment down below. I might shout out. Okay, part 3.